Snow na naman. Snow time. I can't believe it. Today my order finally came and I'm gonna unbox this mini stepper machine workout, and I'm so excited about this. I've been seeing this a lot in TikTok or YouTube, and they said that it will do a full body workout, so we'll see. I'm a caregiver and I work night shifts and I don't have a lot of time working out, so this one is very perfect for me. And usually I do my workout like late afternoon or in the evening, and this doesn't take up so much space in the house. As you can see in the side over there, I have all my equipments, my home workout equipments, and yeah, I'm so excited about this. And it comes with a resistance band, which is I like. Perfect, because one of my main reason is to strengthen my arm and my legs. I wanna be stronger, and I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Like, oh my gosh, I should have read the manual first, but I'm challenging myself if I can do it without reading the manual, which is a big no-no. You should read the manual first to save some time, but anyway, I did not do it, so this is what's going on. Just working my brain, trying to figure out. And it's not that bad, really. There you go. That's the knob that you can adjust the step. I mean the height. Yeah. And that one over there is the screen recording. It has battery on it, and I'm finally decided to open the manual because I'm having a hard time. Oh my gosh, I can't figure out, so I finally open it, and here's the battery for that screen over there, the LCD or whatever you call it, to track your steps and calories, and anyway, yeah, tracker, that's what you call it. And this is how you remove the tracker to replace the battery. But you need to be careful because that's a small wire over there.
How do you catch something? With immense difficulty. Huh. Narlac. Excuse me? Narlac. He was an informant of mine when I was in order. He used to trade in magical creatures on the side.
And this is how you connect the resistance band. Now it's time to work out. Oh, yeah, it wasn't easy at first, but I did like it. You can really tell that you will work your legs, your arm. I'm already tired. It's not even 5 minutes yet. I keep checking on how many steps and how many minutes left and how many calories already. I'm sure I will be burning a lot of calories doing this, and I'm sure tomorrow I'm gonna be sore. No pain, no gain. That's what it is. As you can see, I'm already struggling, and it's not even 15 minutes, and I'm already out of breath. Such a good cardio workout. The manual says that you can only use it for 15 minutes and then you can wait 30 minutes to use it again because you don't want it overheat. You can also adjust the resistance band, whichever length you want. But for me, I might shorten it because I'm a very short person. I'm 5 feet.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I love it. Naka 140 ang ano ko for 15 minutes. Pinagpawisan. I'm sweating. It's a full body workout. I love it.